I was recently asked by a journalist what the best morning routine is in order to have a productive day. The thing is, everybody is different. So we're going to all have different needs that we need to complete in the morning. But the one key common denominator is starting off the day with your version of calm. What to you is calming? Is it waking up and taking deep breaths in the morning? Is it yoga? Is it meditation? Is it just sitting at the edge of your bed for 15 seconds giving gratitude for waking up in the morning? What will bring you that sense of calm, whether it takes 10 seconds or it takes 30 minutes? The other common denominator in having a morning routine that kicks off a productive day is to not check communications the very first thing in the morning, because that usually sends the brain into scattered directions and it doesn't allow us to first get a grip and first create a plan for the day and then open our communications to decide whether or not our plan needs to be adjusted. So, think about for your morning routine what truly needs to be completed in the morning before you start your workday. And before all of that even begins, what is one thing that you can do to bring calm to your morning? That way, you're starting off your day, allowing your brain to be calm and relaxed before the day gets started.